Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 folding electric bicycle. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the electric bicycle. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, C. Foldable, yes. Wattage, 351 to 500 W. Origin, CN origin. Power supply, lithium battery. Wheel size, 20. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 2-seat. Style, luxury type. Model number, G650. The item number 2 is aliexpress folding electric bike. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Voltage, 48 volts. Foldable, yes. Wattage, 500 W. Origin, CN origin. Power supply, lithium battery. Wheel size, 20. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, luxury type. Model number, X3000 Plus. On the top of our list at number 1 we have aliexpress electric bike. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, say. Foldable, yes. Wattage, 251 to 350 W. Origin, CN origin. Power supply, lithium battery. Wheel size, 26. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Rated passenger capacity, 2-seat. Style, standard type. Model number, K600. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.